Hello, my loyal materialistic minions. It's me, Beau, and today I am coming to you with a giant, no, not a giant knife. I'm coming to you with this adorable little knife. This little guy, it almost looks plastic. It was $1.72 on Aliexpress. If you have not figured out Aliexpress yet, yes, it'll take like 20 or 30 days to ship to you from China, but it's an actual blade. And so if in fact, you know, you want to, I don't know, cut a newspaper or something like that, and it will actually cut quite nicely, a little razor sharp guy. It's got a serrated edge, and it's got a tiny little point. Obviously, you're not gonna use this little guy for self-defense. But if in fact you have like a camera bag like mine, and you just need a little blade to stick it to, well, great. Then you have a blade readily accessible to, you know, I don't know, it's always nice to have a small little pocket knife with you, as opposed to a giant knife like this, which I still carry with me just for giggles because I'm like that. But anyway, so what does this come with? It comes with a tiny little sheath like so, and if in fact you want to, I don't know, put this on, probably wouldn't put it on the keychain because, you know, it can still dangle around and I don't think it's gonna slip out. But this little guy, it's a mounting bracket that actually this clips into, and I'm gonna show you right here how you can mount this on a backpack. Oh, and by the way, since they were so dirt cheap, $1.72, and I think it was like 20 cents shipping, I got 4 of these. So right there, this is kind of a dark green, like so, and this is more of sort of a tan, like this. And it can come with a lanyard. The black one that I got does not come with a lanyard, but that's okay. I don't really need a lanyard. I was just gonna throw it away anyway. And also I have a cool little orange colored one. It's not like super bright orange like these little scissors, so it's kind of an off orange, but still it's a bit brighter than, you know, your typical little colors right here, the tan, the green, or the black. So let's go ahead and show you how I am actually going to be mounting this on my camera bag. And do note that your straps can't be very thick like this. And see this guy right here, this is way too thick. It's just not gonna fit. But I have a little piece of Velcro right here, which will be sturdy enough to hold a tiny little knife. And here's what you want to do. So first of all, you're gonna want to take off the little mount. So this little guy is going to come clipped into this like so. And then on the opposite side, there's a tiny little tab right here, this long guy. You're gonna want to lift this up. And then you're gonna want to take the one that's long like this and your actual knife. And let's say I want to mount it just like this. Well, I'm gonna go like this, and I'm putting it between here and then there. Very simple. Now, of course, it's not complete because now I need to get the other end right here, and it corresponds with this little guy that slides in there. But really squeeze that to make sure it's not gonna go anywhere. And then give it a tug, make sure it's not going anywhere, and of course, you can now pull the cute little pocket knife out just like that, and it stays put. And that is it. Totally worth $1.72. Highly recommended. And we can just let it dangle. That's it. 5 out of 5 stars. Highly recommended. Go ahead and get it, especially for some stocking stuffers. You really can't go wrong. I have included a link in my YouTube description because there are quite a few of these little guys saturated all over AliExpress. And the ones that I found were the cheapest ones. But if you want to, I don't know, spend $1 more, you're certainly welcome to. You don't have to go through that link. That's it. My name's Beau. I look forward to testing, demonstrating, and reviewing more fun things here on AliExpress.